Outlook Reading Pane Options tutorial. So here I am in the Outlook welcome page, and then from here, let me sign into my account first. So I can just click sign in right here, then I'll be redirected to the sign in page, and then since my account is already saved in my browser, I can just click my account right here, then I'll be automatically logged into my Outlook account. So if you're not logged in yet, you can just go ahead and enter your email and password, then you should be redirected right here. So the default option for your reading pane is usually this. So when you click on an email, all of the email details will be opened right here at the right side. So if you want to change that option, you can just go right here to view. Then you will have the option for layout. Then from here, you will see reading pane, and then you will have different options. So right now we have the reading pane shown on the right. So we can also show it in the bottom if you want. So when you go ahead and click on an email, all of the details will be put right here at the bottom of the screen. And then we can also have the other option right here, which is fill screen. So how this works is that when you go ahead and click an email, as you can see, it will now fill up the screen right here. And then if I go ahead and click on another email, so it will open it in full screen. Another option is that you have the pop out only. So whenever I click on an email, I need to double click it. And then what will happen is that it will open up that specific email in another window. Then I can also go ahead, do the same thing. I can double click, then it will pop out in another window as well. You also have the other option right here, which is resize. So this only works when you have the show on the bottom or like show on the right option right here. Then you can click resize to like change the size of the reading pane like that. And then this is the reading pane options for the new version of Outlook or the web version of Outlook. So if you are using the classic version of Outlook for the Microsoft 365, you also have the reading pane options right here as well. So for example, I can go ahead and open up an email. They will show up right here in the right side. So from here, you can also go to view. Then you will have the reading pane options right here. So you have the right option as well. Then you have the bottom option. Then you also have turn off. And then what you can do is that you can double click on a specific email so that it will open in another window. And then that is basically it. So you just need to choose a specific reading pane option that you are comfortable with. And then you can also click options right here to see some other options, but typically these are not a reading pane option. So this is just for marking an item as read, or showing preview messages, or turn out automatic full screen reading in portrait orientation. But that is basically it. So the only thing that you need to change is the reading pane options right here. If you want to show it to the right, to the bottom, or if you want it to pop out. And then for the new version of Outlook or the web version, you have the option to show it on the right as well, show it on the bottom, or you can fill up the screen, or you can show it in a pop-out window. And then that's it. So that is how we can change the different Outlook reading pane options. I hope you learn how to use them, and thank you for watching.